Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 review, the best foldable phone yet. In a groundbreaking move, Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 7, a foldable phone that has taken a significant leap forward in the evolution of foldable technology. This latest addition to Samsung's lineup is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the smartphone industry. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a sleek, sophisticated device that boasts a thinner and lighter design than its predecessors. This remarkable transformation is a result of Samsung's relentless pursuit of perfection and their dedication to addressing the shortcomings that plagued earlier foldable phones. The Z Fold 7 is a true game-changer, offering a tablet-sized screen in a compact package without sacrificing functionality or user experience. While the Z Fold 7 represents a major breakthrough, it's not without its drawbacks. The hefty price tag of $1,999 is a significant barrier to entry, and whether it's worth the investment is a question that many consumers will grapple with. Nevertheless, the improvements in design and camera capabilities make it a compelling choice for those who value cutting-edge technology and are willing to pay a premium for it. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the most improved foldable phone to date, featuring an almost unbelievably thin profile that sets it apart from the competition. At just 215 grams and 8.9 millimeters thick when folded, it feels like a regular smartphone in your hand. This remarkable feat of engineering has been achieved through the use of a new hinge design with a water drop fold, allowing for a tighter closure and a reduced appearance of the middle crease. The frame is crafted from Samsung's custom armor aluminum alloy, ensuring durability without adding excess weight. One of the most notable upgrades in the Z Fold 7 is its camera system. Equipped with a 200MP primary sensor, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, it delivers impressive image quality. The 200MP primary sensor in particular is a standout feature, offering vibrant colors and a wide dynamic range. However, the lack of a 5x periscope telephoto lens, as seen in Samsung's flagship flat phones, is a minor disappointment. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and a choice of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of storage. This powerful combination ensures smooth performance and lightning-fast speeds, making it ideal for demanding tasks such as gaming and multitasking. The device also supports 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, although these charging speeds could be faster. Despite its impressive hardware, the Z Fold 7 software is equally noteworthy. Running on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI overlay, it offers a highly customizable experience. A multitasking system is particularly robust, allowing users to run up to 3 apps side by side and easily switch between them. Additionally, the device comes with a toggle for local-only AI processing, providing users with enhanced privacy options. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is not without its flaws. The battery life, while commendable, could be better. Users may find themselves needing to recharge the device by early evening, depending on usage patterns. Furthermore, the charging speeds, while adequate, could be significantly faster, especially considering the device's premium price point. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a significant leap forward in foldable technology. Its slim design, improved camera system, and powerful performance make it a compelling choice for those seeking a cutting-edge device. However, its steep price tag and certain limitations, such as battery life and charging speeds, may deter some potential buyers. Ultimately, the decision to invest in the Z Fold 7 will depend on individual priorities and willingness to pay a premium for the latest advancements in smartphone technology. Galaxy Z Flip 7 screen durability. Samsung's surprising revelation. Samsung's latest foldables just shattered durability myths, but there's a catch. While the Galaxy Z Flip 7's screen hasn't been officially stress-tested like its sibling, Samsung claims it's every bit as tough as the Galaxy Z Fold 7's revolutionary panel. Let's unpack what this really means for your next flip phone. The big revelation. Samsung Display confirmed to Android Authority that while only the Galaxy Z Fold 7's folding screen has been formally certified for 500,000 folds, enough to last over a decade with 100 daily flips, the Z Flip 7 uses identical durability tech. Here's the kicker. Both phones now survive extreme conditions that would have crippled earlier models, like 60,000 folds in -20 degrees Fahrenheit or 300,000 folds in 60 degrees Fahrenheit desert heat. But here's where it gets controversial. The Z Flip 7's numbers are based on Samsung's internal testing, not third-party verification. While the company insists both models share the same reinforced layers and anti-scratch coatings, skeptics might ask, why not put the Flip through the same rigorous public testing as the Fold? Let's talk upgrades. Compared to 2023's Z Flip 5 and Fold 5, these new devices are durability powerhouses. Last year's models managed just 200,000 folds at room temperature, less than half the Z Fold 7's rating. Cold weather performance, a shocking 30,000 folds previously versus 60,000 now. Samsung's message is clear. Foldables are finally ready for real-world punishment. The elephant in the room. Yes, extreme cold still cuts screen longevity dramatically. But here's what most miss. This weakness is still a 100% improvement over prior generations. Imagine your phone surviving a ski trip or summer road trip instead of becoming a fragile liability. Meet the contenders. Galaxy Z Flip 7. Slimmer than ever at 13.74 millimeters folded, it's a selfie powerhouse with a 50-megapixel camera and AI tools Samsung dubs a pocket studio. Its 6.9-inch foldable screen pairs with a 4.1-inch outer display for quick interactions. Galaxy Z Fold 7, a productivity beast with an 8-inch OLED canvas, 200-megapixel camera, and Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Samsung claims its hinge design makes the crease less visible, a long-time pain point for foldable skeptics. The burning question. With both phones sharing the same screen tech, why does Samsung only certify the Fold? Is this a marketing move to position the Fold as the premium option, or simply a testing oversight? And crucially, would you trust internal testing alone, or demand third-party proof before buying a $1,099 flip phone? Sound off below. Are these durability leaps enough to finally win over foldable doubters, or does Samsung still have more to prove? Let's debate in the comments. Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition. Extended warranty business features explained. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition, a game changer for business users. Imagine having a phone that's not only a style statement, but also a powerhouse for productivity. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been making waves in the market, with early adoption figures in key markets like the USA and Europe exceeding expectations. But here's where it's interesting. Samsung has just launched the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition, specifically designed for business users. But is it worth the hype? What's in it for business users? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition doesn't differ much from the standard version in terms of specs. It's still the same ultra-thin, powerful foldable phone that's been making headlines. However, Samsung is offering a few perks that might just seal the deal for business users. For starters, the phone comes with an extended warranty of 3 years in Germany, compared to the standard 2 years. That's a significant advantage for businesses that rely heavily on their devices. Comprehensive device management. But that's not all. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition also offers 1 free year of Samsung Knox Suite, a comprehensive device management solution. This means businesses can manage their devices more efficiently, with features like secure data storage, app management, and more. It's a significant advantage for businesses that need to keep their devices secure and up to date. A few caveats. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition is only available in one color option, jet black, and one memory configuration, 512 gigabytes. That's a bit limiting compared to the standard version, which comes in 4 colors and 3 memory options. But if you're looking for a device that's specifically designed for business use, these limitations might not be a deal breaker. The verdict. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition worth considering for business users? Absolutely. With its extended warranty, comprehensive device management, and powerful specs, it's a solid choice for businesses that need a reliable device. And with Samsung's reputation for innovation and quality, it's likely that this device will go on sale in more markets soon. What do you think? Do you think the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Enterprise Edition is a game changer for business users? Or do you think the limitations outweigh the benefits? Let us know in the comments. About the author. Mihai Matei is a senior editor at Sam Mobile with a passion for technology and innovation. His first Samsung phone was an A800, which he still misses for its novelty and durability. In his free time, he enjoys watching shows, documentaries, and stand-up comedy, listening to music, taking walks, and occasionally playing old video games. Contact. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to Mihai at emailprotected.x.